Welcome to this quick guide on how to see who liked a pin on Pinterest using your PC after the latest update. Pinterest is a fantastic platform for discovering inspiration and ideas, and sometimes you're curious to know who else appreciates a particular pin. Let's dive straight into the steps. First, head over to Pinterest's website and log into your account. Just open your preferred web browser and type in pinterest.com to get to the homepage. Once you're on the Pinterest homepage, take a moment to scroll through your feed or navigate to the board where you saw the pin you're interested in. You can also use the search bar at the top to find a specific pin if you remember some keywords. After you've located the pin, give it a click to open it up. This will display the pin in a larger format, along with any comments or details that the pinner included. Now, underneath the pin, you should see a heart icon along with a number. This number indicates the total count of likes the pin has received. This is the key to finding out who liked the pin. Simply click on that number. A window will pop up displaying the profiles of the people who liked the pin. You can scroll through the list to see who showed their appreciation. And that's it. You can now easily see who liked a pin on Pinterest via your PC. This is a simple way to connect with others who share your interests and taste on the platform. If you're not seeing the names, keep in mind that Pinterest's interface can change, so always look for the like count associated with the heart icon. Additionally, some users may have privacy settings that prevent you from seeing their profiles, so not every like might be visible to you. I hope this guide was helpful. Now you can go ahead and explore your favorite pins and see who's been liking them. Happy pinning!